I have a friend who would love brother Paul.
Pre-soak on the charcoal. A little extra because it's gonna soak in and evaporate. That cut even. And we'll just kind of let her soak for about 5 minutes. Then we'll put the
Brother
fresh stuff
Paul
on.
likes to soak it with the lighter fluid, wait about 5 minutes, and then come back and soak it again.
Fire's on. I've been known to burn the buildings down, so we do it nice and safe out here. And not burn them down, but light them on fire. That's when I'm drunk. I'm not drunk today. We should be safe, hopefully.